Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can make your iPhone read everything on your screen. So let's activating the first access or features on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your settings. Right after that, just scroll down until you got the accessibility. Tap into the accessibility there. The next thing you need to do is just go scrolling down again until you got the spoken content. Just tap it. Now if you want to have those content or make the iPhone read everything on the screen, you just need to activate these two options: speak selection and speak screen. Tap into the button, tap into the button, and there will be like a lot of options that you can use here. So you just need to tap into the voice to access the voice that you want to choose. Make sure that you also choosing the language of the system. So there will be like a lot of options that you can get here. There will be like English Australia, English India. There will be also English Ireland, Scotland, and so on and so on. So you just need to find one of them. After you got them, you just need to go back. And you can also adjusting the speaking rate. You can make it faster, or you can also just make it like a regular or the slower one. Right after you're done, now you just need to go back and you are totally done. You just need to open the article that you want to your phone to read and just select it, and you will got everything on your screen is read by the phone. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.